Hello, bankers. So, very good evening to all of you. Welcome back. So, guys, in this particular session, we are going to discuss around the examination date, registration date, and the key strategy for the coming 90 days for your upcoming JIB 2026 May examination, right? So, as we all know, so your notification is already out. So, you have the exam date with you, right? तो ये आपका जो रिमेनिंग डेज है हाउ यू हैव टू टेक दीज पर्टिकुलर थिंग and like what need to be prepared and other things which we will be discussing in this particular session, right? So let's go through the dates first आपका, ठीक है? So when it comes to your exam registration date, so they already started from yesterday itself, right? So first one is like till 8th of February there will be no आपका late fee. So if you have decided, what I can suggest you to go for the early registration. Though now we do not have any early registration benefits and all. Earlier, basically they used to provide you to select the timing and venue, but now you just have to select the city itself. And time and venue will be decided by the IIBF, and they'll be releasing this particular one with your admit card. And admit card will come 15 days आपका 10 to 15 days before your examination also, right? तो फर्स्ट आपका 8th February, so 2nd to 8th February, this is आपका normal examination fee. Normal examination fee means if you are enrolling for the very first time, so it will be required आपका first you have to take IIBF membership. It will cost you 1600 plus GST, and then you have to apply for the JIB examination once you log in. Sometime what will happen? So once you have done with the IIBF membership, it generally take 3 to 4 hours to generate your ID. Then you have to log in with that particular credentials, and then you see the left side आपका apply for the apply, and if you click on that particular one, you'll get to know about the आपका JIB May 2026 examination. And those who are going for DBF, it will show as DBF. So then second step is you have to apply on the examination. If you have to click on this one, and after selecting all these particular details, city and others, so it will ask for the fee, and fee is 4,000 plus आपका GST. GST is 18% on this particular one. ठीक है? So first thing you have to consider these particular date and your fee. First you have to take IIBF membership 1600 plus GST, and your GIB fee will be that is basically 4,000 plus GST, right? Those who are going for the first time. Those who have already taken membership and they have applied in the past, so it will take आपका 1300 plus GST. Then the registration will be open till 22nd of February 2026. Most probably they'll extend this particular date. It depends on number of application. So we cannot say कि they'll always आपका, but हाँ, in our experience from last 70 years, they always extend that particular date for next 1 week. But as of now, we have this is the last date, and this will be your 4,000 plus 200 GST plus आपका 200 rupees penalty plus to आपका GST itself, right? So these are the date for your आपका registration. Now the important thing is your examination date. ठीक है? How you should prepare according to these particular one, that is very important. ठीक है? So when it comes to exam dates, the first examination you are going to face on 3rd of May 2026, and that is INIFS manageable. Now the challenge which you will be facing आपका, that is 9th आपका we have PPB, and 10th we have आपका AFM. So accordingly, while you are planning your strategies, while you are planning your studies and all, so what you have to do, you have to consider these two dates. Okay? That means you have to prepare at least for these two subject, or out of these two subject at least one you have to prepare आपका along with INIFS. So what I'll suggest you in this particular case, first, like right now you have to go for two subject. One is INIFS, another subject is your आपका AFM or PPB. Out of these two subject, if you are having confusion, I'll suggest आपका AFM. There are two reasons. First, this subject is आपका full of conceptual base. If you are good with the concept, you will be able to score maximum marks out of 4 subjects, right? The second thing is it will require some sort of practice also. The another reason for this one is when it comes to PPB. So this is kind of one of the lengthiest paper. 55 units are there, okay? But the things are when you see the PPB na, so it is like bit boring. Like whatever we do in our daily banking businesses and all, that is generally part of this one. And if you'll go through things, you'll feel ki like these things are easy and all, okay? And this is something which can be driven through a basic overview of concept along with आपका practice is more important in this particular case. तो एक normal आपका tendency है कि go for आपका INIFS and AFM without any doubt. PPB क्यों नहीं? Because बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो एक बार आपको you just have to go through the concept summary once, and the another one is practice. If you'll go for unit wise practice and all, that will be more helpful because there is a thin line between what we do in our branches or what actually get asked in the examination or the guidelines and all, right? तो वो practice के through जितना ज़्यादा आप करेंगे वो उतना ज़्यादा आपको helpful होगा. The final one we have आपका on 17th May, that is RBWM, Retail Banking and Wealth Management. So what I'll suggest in this case, start focusing on these two subjects. Try to complete these two before आपका 15th of March 2026 itself. ठीक है? Then shift to आपका, let's say you have done with INIFS, then enter in आपका start preparing for the PPB subject. Once you done with AFM, then you can enter with आपका RBWM. So this is the strategy for the next 90 days. Just do follow this particular one. Do not start with entire आपका curriculum, right? Some people what they'll do, they'll start with all the 4 subjects. After 1 or 2 weeks, आपका they'll be start missing आपका the areas and all. तो वो जो आधा अधूरा आपका preparation है ना, that is not going to help. Just focus on आपका 2 subject as of now. Just complete these particular one, go through the concepts, areas and the practice one. Then आपका start preparing these particular one. Believe me, by the end of April or 10th of April, you will be able to finish everything. Then the remaining time, you will be practicing things आपका, ठीक है? So you will be revising things of INIFS as well as AFM. One another आपका point to select AFM, because during this period 9th and 10th you are going to face आपका back to back 2 paper. Now during this particular period what I'll recommend you कि what happen actually कि you are going to face आपका PPB first, तो ऑटोमेटिकली योर कॉन्सेंट्रेशन विल गो अराउंड दिस पीपीबी, तो ये बाद में आएगा तो आपका रह जाएगा. एंड विद इन अ वीक और विद इन 10 days इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल टू कवर ऑल द कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ AFM. तो दीज आर फ्यू थिंग्स विच यू हैव टू रिमेंबर and accordingly you have to plan your studies also. Okay, so I'll be coming up with the detail areas also, how to deal with these and others, no worries. Okay. When it comes to the subject wise, as I said कि we have 4 subject आपका and each subject containing 4 modules. तो first when it comes to IN IFS which you are going to face on 3rd of May आपका, ठीक है? So which include these 4 modules. Out of these 4 modules, 2 modules are very very important. One is आपका this full of concept base. You have to have go through the concept areas and all. And the unit number 7 modules आपका D which includes 17 unit. तो यहाँ पे 17 यूनिट है. You have to practice them well. ठीक है? जो आपके जो भी ओवरऑल सर्विसेज हम लोग प्रोवाइड करते हैं, these all are generally part of this one. तो जितना ज्यादा प्रैक्टिस करेंगे वो हेल्प करेगा. रेस्ट आपका 1 and 3 means A and C that can be done through the practice or a basic level of knowledge and all. ठीक है? So that is something which is आपका for this one. Then when it comes to आपका paper 2 PPB, as I said कि see PPB is all about आपका module A and module B. Why so? Because 41 units आपका they generally belongs to these 2 modules. ठीक है? 20 and 21 आपका, right? And we have total 55 units. So the remaining 10 units and आपका 7 units. ठीक है? So they are generally part of that particular one. Now while you go through the आपका these particular module now, while you what you actually we feel कि यार these things are very easy and we will be able to handle this one. ठीक है? ऐसा feel आएगा आपको, but actually these are very tricky. There will be आपका multiple statement, आपका 5 statement, 7 statement for 1 mark and 2 mark question, and there will be 2 or 3 statement or 1 or 2 statement which will completely confuse you, right? So वो confusion आपका होगा इसके साथ. तो कहीं ना कहीं प्रैक्टिस जितना ज़्यादा करेंगे ना वो गाइडलाइंस आपको याद होंगी, क्योंकि कॉन्सेप्ट पे जाने का या उतना डिटेल में सबको पढ़ने का या कहीं ना कहीं वो एक कहीं ना कहीं जो सेंस ऑफ अवेयरनेस जो हमें देता है ना कि यार हम जानते हैं ये चीज़, वो कहीं ना कहीं प्रॉब्लम क्रिएट करता है। तो प्रैक्टिस से अगर आप उनको ड्राइव करते हैं दैट विल बी हेल्पफुल। इफ यू आर ओनली लेफ्ट विद पीपीबी और सम अदर सब्जेक्ट, तो व्हाट आई सजेस्ट टू गो फॉर द यूनिट वाइज प्रैक्टिस फॉर पीपीबी इटसेल्फ। ठीक है, तो आपका एंड टारगेट इन अ सीक्वेंस वे, आपका मॉड्यूल ए को पहले टारगेट करो, बी को, देन सी को, देन डी को, दैट विल बी आपका हेल्पफुल। व्हेन इट कम्स टू एएफएम, all the four module are equally important, and all the four modules are driven by the concept itself. न्यूमेरिकल का कोई ऐसा आपको फेयर नहीं रखना है। देयर इज like max to max you will be getting 20 to 25 marks. This is the apex आपका maximum side, right? This paper will be more toward to the concept. So concepts, if you are good with the concept, believe me, you will be able to score maximum in this particular subject, और आपका out of all the four subject. तो यहाँ पे आपको जैसे बेसिक अकाउंटेंसी, इंट्रोडक्शन, देन फाइनेंशियल, आपका फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट, टैक्सेशन एंड आपका कॉस्टिंग। मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली दिस when you'll come to the module D, this is all about costing, आपका not about the taxation. Taxation they have given only 2 units आपका, the basic, the आपका income tax and others, the another one is GST, and they have given just introduction to those particular 4 to 5 marks question will be based on the taxation itself, rest entirely driven by the costing part. When it comes to RBWM, so from last 2 session this paper is also become bit tough. So you have to have go through all the 30 units of RBWM, including that additional reading material. Okay. So here, see, now we have a variety. It is similar to PPB, but what you will feel ki if you have done or if you have gone through the entire subject, believe me, this will be again आपका highly scoring subject. ठीक है, so introduction to retail banking 4 unit only, very basic. This is something आपका PPB will help you in this particular case. Then marketing services and wealth management, that is आपका something which is game changer. So what you can do, like if you only left with आपका RBWM, start with these two module first, right? That should be your priority in that particular case. So 4 subject आपका, and when it comes to the preparation आपका strategy, तो my always like I always suggest this particular one first. Okay? So concept, concept means I'm not suggesting you go for that 700 800 pages book. No, every unit having some unique areas, just tap on those particular unique areas, ठीक है, and you have to build your basics around those particular things. बहुत अच्छे से उनको समझिए, वो आपने एक बार कर लिया, ठीक है, it will not take that much time कि आपको 50 hours 100 hours या 200 hours देने पड़ेंगे, no, ठीक है, every subject will be able to आपका within 30, like let's say if we have in AFM, let's say if we have 35 minute 35 hours, if PPB we have 55 आपका units, it will take आपका hardly 40 hours or less than that for the concept building. For INIFS it will take around आपका, let's say we have 45 units, it will take आपको 40 to 45 hours. So that is the one, ठीक है, with practice I'm telling you, right? So that is something, but your priority should be concept first. एक बार concept को go through करना is mandatory for this particular examination. So that is the one. Then second thing आपका unit wise practice. Now I'm not suggesting कि आपका you go for all the units, ठीक है, let's say in every module there are some units which are very very important, or some, let's say if you are facing some challenges, to go for those. Unit wise practice is very important for 2 papers. One is your the first one is your AFM, and another one is your PPB can be driven through this particular one. Then you can go for the आपका module wise revision that we will be doing during the examination months and all, and then finally आपका marathon, ठीक है, so exam marathon during that particular week and all, so again that will be covered through this one. So this is the sequence which you need to follow, and believe me, this work in past also, and it will help you in the coming years also, right? Or for your May 2026 examination also, right? So basically, and many people are having some sort of doubt around the negative marking and all. So there is no negative marking. You have to attempt 100 question. But the challenge which we generally face in our recent examination, कि the paper label was, or the paper size was very lengthy, okay, like it is taking around 2 hours to go through all the 100 question. You are not getting time to revisit आपका the question and all. So first is our priority will be to attempt 100 question आपका, ठीक है, first 1 hour and 1 hour 30 minutes is very very important, because during that period there is no disturbance and the energy level is bit high during that particular period. So you have to target yourself ki in first 1 hour you are targeting 70 questions, remaining 30 questions for the remaining 1 hours. Assume this paper is for 1 hour 30 minutes. If you go with that mindset, believe me, this will help you, right? The another one is aapka, you have to score minimum 50 in each and every subject to pass this particular examination. And the grace marks is also there if you are appearing all the 4 papers in a single attempt. So you have to score minimum aapka 45 and your aggregate should be 200. So that is the case aapka in this particular one. Like let's say if you go for the grace marks 45 45 60 50, so total aapka that is 200 plus. So you will be okay, aapka you will be certified as GIB in that particular case. तो नेगेटिव मार्किंग नहीं है, 50 मार्क्स आपको मिनिमम लाने हैं, और अगर ग्रेस मार्क्स की जरूरत पड़ती है अभी से अगर प्रिपरेशन करोगे 90 डेज के लिए, बिलीव मी आपको इस जोन में जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी, एंड इवन यू विल बी एबल टू स्कोर वेरी गुड आपका विद द विद दैट प्रोसेस इटसेल्फ इफ विल फॉलो दोज पर्टिकुलर थिंग, ठीक है. सो व्हेन इट कम्स टू ड्यूरेशन, ठीक है, दिस इज ऑल्सो आप फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल इसके बारे में बात ही नहीं करनी चाहिए कि आप लाइक व्हाई यू विल बी वेस्टिंग योर 6 months मनी विच यू विल गेट आपका वन इंक्रीमेंट विद योर GIB examination, and why you will be delaying your CIB increments also. So ये सब चीजें हैं, that is part of the rule कि if you miss by any chance, so you will be getting आपका 3 years. This registration will be valid for 3 years, and during 3 years IIBF will conduct this examination for 6 times and you will be allowed for the any 5 attempt, and within that you have to pass this one, otherwise you have to reattempt the examination. But ये सोचना ही नहीं, इतना नेगेटिव जाना ही नहीं कि आपका वी हैव टू गो फॉर द रिविजिट एंड ऑल, ठीक है. जस्ट लाइक सी वन थिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट कि योर माइंडसेट and prepare from today itself. Reason being, I'm not telling you to give 4 hours, 5 hours. Give just 1 or 2 hours on daily basis, regular basis. If you'll go that particular one, एग्जामिनेशन के अगर हम भरोसे बैठेंगे ना उस एग्जाम मंथ के अंदर, तो लाइक समटाइम व्हाट हैपन, देयर इज अ ऑडिट इन द ब्रांच और इवन देयर आर सम फैमिली फंक्शंस एंड अदर्स, दैट इज समथिंग आपका वो बहुत ज्यादा पेनफुल हो जाएगा, बिकॉज देयर इज अ वीक वेयर यू हैव टू फेस आपका टू पेपर बैक टू बैक, और इतना इजी भी नहीं है कि विदाउट कॉन्सेप्ट पढ़े आप इसको एक सिंगल अटेम्प्ट में पास कर लेंगे, ठीक है. अगर वो कॉन्फिडेंस चाहिए तो उसके लिए थोड़ा बहुत यू हैव टू हैव कॉन्ट्रीब्यूट एंड ऑल, राइट. सो दिस इज योर समरी गाइस, बिल्कुल एकदम लग जाइए, ठीक है. सो यू हैव टू रजिस्टर बिफोर 8 आपका, इफ यू आर क्लियर देन गो फॉर दिस, ठीक है. एंड द एग्जाम डेट, सो 3rd May आपका, which is your INIFS 9 and 10, ठीक है. you have to put special focus around this one, and 17 आपका RBWM, ठीक है. A to V आपका all units are important, equally important, and you have to follow that process आपका, ठीक है. So the areas that will help you, ठीक है. Now when it comes to आपका preparation portion, ठीक है. if you haven't taken any course आपका, ठीक है, अगर आपने अभी तक कोई कोर्स नहीं लिया है विद एनी इंस्टीट्यूशन एंड ऑल, इफ यू हैव ऑलरेडी टेकन एनी कोर्स जस्ट गो विद दैम, ठीक है. और बढ़िया से पढ़िए, सब कोई हर कोई आपका बहुत अच्छा पढ़ा रहा है, ठीक है. एवरीवन is putting their best effort to help you out in this particular journey, and believe me guys, you do not have to purchase again and again, okay. So if you have taken already, so just stick to them. We will be doing many sessions around the YouTube, or आपका I have added module mock and full mock in my application also, ठीक है. So free test or free section you can visit those, but if you haven't, अगर आपने नहीं खरीदा तो it will take your only आपका वन इन्वेस्टमेंट, ठीक है. सो इन्वेस्टमेंट ऑफ 2000 रुपीज, एंड दिस इज समथिंग ना, दिस विल गिव यू एवरीथिंग, ठीक है. यू विल गेट ई बुक्स आपका, you will get you will be having access to download those particular PDF or print it out, and जो कोई आपको नहीं देता एक्चुअली. दूसरा कि आपका you will be getting unit wise mock test. आप कुछ लोगों के दिमाग में आ रहा होगा सर क्वेश्चंस तो ऑलरेडी फ्री में भी अवेलेबल हैं, ठीक है, विच यू हैव प्रोवाइडेड लास्ट टाइम. हाँ, दैट इज अवेलेबल, बट आई हैव क्रिएटेड वन अनदर सेट फॉर ऑल ऑफ यू, राइट. तो एक नया सेट आपका जो प्रिपेयर होगा, तो इफ यू आर पार्ट ऑफ दिस पर्टिकुलर यू विल बी डेफिनेटली गेटिंग ऑल दीस थिंग. इट विल कॉस्ट यू 2010 rupees, and this is only for the content cost, and you will be getting live classes. I'm doing live classes and I have done almost आपका INIFS, we have reached to module D. लेट मत कीजिएगा, ठीक है. प्राइसेस का वो भी मत कीजिएगा, ये पिछले 2 साल से इसी प्राइस पे है और ऐसे ही रहेगा, ठीक है. सो लाइक ऐसा नहीं है कि इसको हम कुछ ऑफर करेंगे, या मतलब इवन न्यू ईयर आपका इंडिपेंडेंस डे हर हमेशा ये सेम ही रहता है, ठीक है. कुछ लोग उम्मीद में बैठे रहते हैं, कोई पॉइंट नहीं है उसका. तो दिस इज द पॉइंट. आपका होने को मैं क्या कर सकता हूँ, आई विल शो इट इज लाइक आपका 10,000, उसको करके आपका 2,000 कर दूंगा. बट वी आर लॉजिकल, हमें पता है कि एक्चुअली वैल्यू क्या है, हाउ इट एक्चुअली वर्क, राइट. तो यू विल बी गेटिंग आपका वन सेट ऑफ रिकॉर्डेड सेशंस फॉर ऑल द 4 सब्जेक्ट बाइलिंगुअल, और आपका the another one is English medium, purely English medium, ठीक है, all the 4 subject. The another one is I'm doing live regular basis. आपको mostly people are comfortable in English and everyone, so we are doing आपको mostly around the English medium and all, ठीक है. And if you are comfortable in English, you can watch the recorded things and all mock test, e-books, आपका PDF, class PDF, everything will be part of this particular one, ठीक है. You can access through the website also, or on the website you can go for this one, or else you can download the application that is given in the description box. But this is the case when you, अगर आपके पास कोई और कोर्स नहीं है, if you have, just follow them, और कहीं ना कहीं आप उनसे पढ़ते रहिए रेगुलर बेसिस पर. और अगर कोई भी हेल्प की रिक्वायरमेंट आती है, you just ping me on my application. I'll try my best to help you out in this particular case, right? So this is आपका what we can interpret from the notification and what we should do in the coming days. 90 days है, पता नहीं चलेगा कब निकल गए हैं. तो मेरा सजेशन यही होगा गाइस कि स्टार्ट फ्रॉम टुडे इटसेल्फ, एटलीस्ट कंट्रीब्यूटिंग समथिंग. आई एम नॉट टेलिंग कि गिव 4 hours 5 hours, नो, नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. just give आपका 1.5 hours or 2 hours on daily basis. You can have two type of strategy. One is आप या तो डेली बेसिस पे इतना दो, या ऑन वीकेंड्स यू हैव टू कवर आपका, यू हैव टू गिव 6 to 7 hours. दैट इज द ओनली रिक्वायरमेंट्स, ठीक है. तो या तो आप डेली बेसिस पे पढ़िए, या उन्हीं को आप रिकॉर्डेड करके, जो रिकॉर्डेड बेसिस में आपको मिलते हैं लाइव क्लासेस, डू वॉच दोस पर्टिकुलर वन ऑन वीकेंड्स इक्वल आपका, ठीक है. बट वो हैबिट आपको बिल्ड करके लेके चलना है. एंड इफ यू फॉलो दिस पर्टिकुलर वन, आई विल मेक श्योर कि यू विल बी एबल टू pass this particular examination in single attempt, right? So if you are having any queries, any doubt around any specific subject, or anything else around this particular examination, do let me know in the comment section. I'll try my best to help you out with this. So this is it from my side, guys. Wish you all the very best for your preparation. See you in the classes. Thank you.